Well, the requirements of each mother are going to be different as their role in the process is different. For the genetic mother, she will most likely be the younger of the two, since the quality and quantity of eggs available in young women is greater. The ovarian reserve, the number of eggs you have, decreases according to age. Also, the quality of your eggs can decrease with age. It's not always the case that it's the younger woman, but usually it is the way it happens. This woman will also undergo possible chromosomal analysis, karyotyping, to make sure there are no chromosomal aberrations. By performing these tests on the genetic mother, we can ensure that any of the embryos which are produced are more likely to be successful in their implantation. In the gestational mother, the woman is going to carry the baby. She obviously needs to have a healthy uterus and be of good physical health in order to be able to carry the baby throughout the pregnancy. It's advisable that she doesn't have any autoimmune diseases or blood clotting disorders which could pose risks to the baby and the mother throughout the pregnancy. So it's really a matter of working with your specialists and your individual cases to decide who is going to be the genetic mother and who is going to be the gestational mother.